This motherfucker want me to eat a bug. She want me to eat a bug.
Just hurry up.
$10. $10, right?
You chew it and you swallow it. Chew it and swallow and you get $10. Yeah, go ahead. You might as well just do it now.
Okay, you ready?
Hold on, wait. Let me get a close-up of the bug.
He's still jumping. That motherfucker is dead.
Really? That's just the shell, so you good. Just, hold on. I want to get
Just
it clear.
the shell. I see shit on the inside.
Hold on, I want to get it clear. Stop moving it around.
Why would I eat this?
Hold on. Wait, stop fucking moving.
Man, the shit my fucking girl.
Oh, go ahead. It's been a minute. Go ahead, just eat it. You might as well just hurry up and do it.
Okay, ready?
Do it while I got it clear. Go ahead, babe. Just throw it in there. Come on, $10. Chew.
3.
People eat this shit all the time. Come on, I don't want to run out of space. Come on, babe. I don't want the video to cut out.
The wings are stuck.
Just swallow it.
I need $10, bro.